Hello everyone, and thanks so much for coming. I can't wait to show you how I transform this into this. So stay tuned, okay? Hello, and welcome to Planning with Toya B. I'm LaToya. Here, the focus is Plan With Me's planner stickers, hauls, and reviews, as well as mommy hauls and reviews from time to time. Please join our fam, and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Now let's get started. So today's inspiration is Mini Kit 247. And then this is the Mini Kit DD4B. And then we have our individual headers, which is N2. Again, this is the 2020 list, so the add-ons are different. And then this is the thin washi P. And then these are the sidebars. We use all of these. And then that one goes as well. If you're interested in certain parts of the video, the timestamps are in the description. These are our vertical boxes that I use for family time with those. Appointment stickers. And then these are the scallops, which is what I use for mood charts. And here are the icons, and I use this in the hourly. This is adding any value and helping you in any way to like and subscribe. It's gonna be April the 26th through May the 2nd. We're gonna lay down this board and use the ruler to rip it up. Then we're gonna just white out and put our vertical boxes down. For those of you that are new, this is what I use for my family time. This is just like a memory log. And then I'm gonna white out everything else. And we're gonna put one of those sidebar boxes there and the other sidebar box here. We're gonna take that DD4B and put that there. I'll either put a quote or a memory there, and then we have a tracker and a weekly tracker. I'm gonna go ahead and use these appointment tabs for, again, the family time. And what I do is the white area, I use that to put the date down, and the little box I put identify each person. Now I'm just putting on some headers here. And use that green flag for my cleaning section. And then I'm gonna take these extra ones and just put them in the back of my sticker saver so I can have that for later. Then I'm gonna use my ruler and kind of snap that up and lay it back down to give it more of a cohesive look, and put to call there. And I did don't forget already at the top. And then this is my this week's items for budget and for tracking of my health. And then I put the this week's down. I have the important sticker, any appointments, house items, car items, and the TV show I'm watching that week. And then I'm just gonna put down some asterisks for the 3 people I'm gonna attempt to call this week. And so I just wanted to give a moment for the fact that I have been kind of missing in action. So my bad, y'all. So life happened. For real, for real. So I apologize, but we're back on schedule, back on track. So moving forward, what we're going to do next is we are going to go ahead and get the calculator and put that down for my budget, and then quote for the quote of the week this week. And then I've got my family time sticker, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put these little boxes to make those cohesive with the color scheme, as well as I'm gonna go ahead and get my initials for the week and put them down. R for Rashad, J for Jaden, and T for Tim. And then these are stickers by Rhonda, which I love. And there's a coupon in your upper left-hand portion of the screen if you'd like to get some of those from Rhonda. Awesome. I also have a sticker thing I'm going to be doing here shortly. And then if you want to check out anything else, whether it be stickers or closer looks at these, you can go to my Instagram. Now we're just going to do a little highlighter to separate the Bible section from my weigh-ins every week. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cover up all the dates and put down those individual headers for each day of the week. I had to stop for a second. Little people were cutting up. We had to go have prayer time in the temple. And I was not the one praying, okay? But anyway, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put down those dates. And like you've seen before, I write it with a washable marker that my kids use, so that way I can just wipe it up later. And then I match the bottom like I did on the other page, and now I'm putting in the weekend, and that extra box helps me up at the top on Monday to remember what the specific thing is during the week for school for Rashad. Rashad goes to his county school virtually. He's been remote all year because of the pandemic. And now I'm just putting in my moods and my Bible and my weigh-in tabs. And again, I'm going to use the ruler and rip it up and make the sticker shorter. And then I'll just put in Bible study and find my little weigh-in sticker and put that in there. And then I'll put my weigh-ins that I do every day. And now we got to notify myself of the bath days. Yep, these are the days that they actually get a full-fledged get in the tub and stay in the tub for a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and put down speech for those classes for him that he gets. And then we're going to put down the trash and the planner time, and then the bath nights, because that one was crooked. It was driving me crazy. Y'all listen, I'm doing a lot better about my crooked stuff since I've been on YouTube. But the garbage day and laundry day and grocery day, those types of things. And then some other items. We have a to-go on Wednesday and a to-do on Thursday. Shad has an extra class on Thursday, so I need to not forget that. So, and I'm also doing alternating colors, so the top couple are one color and then the bottom couple are another color, just to keep it cohesive but not just too much. So then I'm putting down these little hands, and each hand is for a child. I like this sticker as well by Rhonda, but the baby was just a little bit too tiny, so we're gonna use this one and this one. These are also stickers by Rhonda, and you can check her out. And then I'm just putting in that JJ's got preschool 2 days a week, and that those are the quality times for the boys, and Shad's extra class, what time it is, and then any additional appointments we might have. Now I'm just putting everything up because, child, I'm done. Hallelujah. So that's everything. Oh, I forgot my clean house, y'all. Let me go and put that on Saturday too. So now I have that in there. So that's everything. Thanks. No matter what, you are exactly where you need to be today. Bye-bye now. If you'd like to see more, please click the links here and here. Thanks again.